Right, so that's the pound one view tweets that I'm going to get. The next section is we're going to go into the things that mention Informatica Cloud. Right, same 6-step wizard to success. Right, the first step I'm going to define what it is. Right, I'm going to make a data filter which says, hey, I want to get any tweet that equals Informatica Cloud. Right, and this could essentially be anything I want. Right, but in this case we're doing the Chatter Twitter social demos. Right, so you can pick what you want. Say, I only want those tweets that have mention at Informatica Cloud. I go to my field mapping and I see the video on right over there. Right, and I map over what I want into the tweet pod. Right, now you guys were asking, hey, I wanted to take those tweets and I wanted to put them into Chatter. That's what we're going to do next. So the next step is I can come over here and I can do my Twitter Chatter pass. Right, same 6-step wizard again to success. These are pretty cool because it really simplifies integration. You have your purpose-built task and you bring them together in a task flow and say, run this, this, and that, and you're done. So step one, we're going to grab it. Step number 2 is going to be our tweet file, right, which I call it. And this was actually just an object in Salesforce I stuck them in. Right, and it can be custom objects or standard objects, whatever you want. Put it in the tweet file, you bring it in, and our target's going to be Chatter. Right, it's going to go into the feed item. Right, so with Chatter, you've seen all kinds of things you can do with Force.com if you're a developer. Right here, if you're not a developer, you can do it right here with Informatica Cloud. So it's just a matter of defining, I want to write stuff to that feed item. Right, I go to my field mapping. Right, and on the left side is those tweets in that tweet file that I made. And on the right side is my Chatter feed item. Right, and it runs and goes. Right, so what I did was, I made a title, relevant topic from Twitter. I put the user that tweeted it. Right, you talked about the social integration key we learned about in the keynote today. Right, so you drag and drop, you're good to go. Once you have these, right, we can go to my Twitter feed. Right, and I was over here typing in my different tweets. For example, I have a pound one view mention InfoCloud. Right, all the way pound Dreamforce, hashtag Dreamforce 12. Right, so pretty exciting stuff. I can go now into my Chatter feed in Salesforce, right? And I can take a look at the different chats that have been coming through. Right, so this is just the tip of the iceberg, right? You can see there's my tweet that I chatted and who did it from the Info CSM, that's me. Right, but you can go the other way. You can take chats and you can tweet the important ones. Right, you can set up the Chatter groups. You can do whatever you want to do.